With his innovative findings and the unveiling of ancient mysteries, renowned scientist Bill has captivated us for decades. He has piqued our interest in the final frontier, its wonders, and the limitless space that envelopes us. His work has inspired generations to look up at the sky with curiosity and wonder, questioning our place in the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, is a remarkable successor to the Hubble Space Telescope, taking humanity's quest to explore the universe to unprecedented heights. The images produced by the Webb telescope are so extraordinary that they challenge existing theories and expectations. Scientists and astronomers have found themselves reevaluating their understanding of cosmic evolution due to the groundbreaking observations made by this telescope. What makes these Webb telescope images so unique? How do they alter our perception of space? And what insights does Bill have about them? Bill has now broken his silence to share the most recent findings from the JWST, which provides a glimpse of the universe as it was over 13 billion years ago. These revelations are transforming our understanding of the cosmos, the formation of galaxies, and even the possibility of extraterrestrial life. The telescope is making incredible advancements in the study of planets, distant galaxies, and much more, marking a revolutionary leap in science. NASA's engineers and scientists worked for decades to develop this cutting-edge observatory, which was launched on Christmas Day in 2021. The telescope's deployment was one of the most complex engineering feats in history. Over the course of the following months, each phase of its deployment was executed with precision, from unfolding its massive sunshield to aligning its golden hexagonal mirrors. By late June 2022, astronomers were discovering thousands of new galaxies, some older and farther away than ever previously thought. Some of these galaxies may have formed a mere 150 million years after the Big Bang, predating even the oldest galaxies detected by the Hubble Space Telescope. The capability of the Webb telescope to peer back into the infancy of the universe allows scientists to piece together the timeline of cosmic history with newfound clarity. In addition to observing distant galaxies, the Webb telescope has provided new insights into exoplanets, planets orbiting stars outside our solar system. It has observed exoplanets in remarkable detail, helping scientists analyze their atmospheric compositions and assess their potential for hosting life. One of the most groundbreaking observations involves the planet WASP-39b, located in the Virgo constellation, approximately 700 light-years away. This Saturn-sized gas giant orbits its star at a distance about 8 times closer than Mercury's orbit around the Sun. Webb's advanced instruments, specifically its spectrographs, have enabled scientists to detect carbon dioxide in the planet's atmosphere. Additionally, the planet's atmosphere contains clouds of sulfur and silicates, including sulfur dioxide, a molecule produced by photochemical reactions similar to those found on Earth. This marks the first time sulfur dioxide has been detected in an exoplanet's atmosphere, indicating complex chemical processes taking place far beyond our solar system. According to Bill, the data gathered by the Webb telescope is providing remarkable insights into the atmospheric composition of planets light-years away. These findings offer hints about their ability to sustain life as we know it. For decades, astronomers have speculated about the existence of life beyond Earth. With the Webb telescope's ability to analyze exoplanet atmospheres in detail, scientists are now closer than ever to answering the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? One of the most iconic images captured by the Hubble Space Telescope was that of the Pillars of Creation in the Eagle Nebula. This breathtaking feature, composed of towering clouds of gas and dust, has fascinated scientists and space enthusiasts alike for years. However, when Webb captured this region in infrared light, it revealed an even more stunning and detailed view. Unlike Hubble's visible light image, Webb's infrared view penetrates through the dense dust, showcasing a multitude of protostars hidden within the nebula. Each of these protostars is many times larger than the others, illuminating the ongoing processes of star formation in unprecedented detail. Why are scientists surprised that stars are still forming? Bill explains that the stars in these images have not yet begun hydrogen fusion. As material accumulates at their cores, the temperature and pressure increase dramatically. Eventually, this triggers hydrogen fusion, marking the birth of a new star. This discovery not only demonstrates Webb's infrared capabilities but also provides an intriguing glimpse into how stars like our Sun form. The other hues in the Webb image represent the red radiation emitted by these protostars, which produce light at wavelengths 6 times longer than what we can see. The two distinct colors in the Webb image correspond to infrared wavelengths that are invisible to the human eye. Only the blue portions are within our visible spectrum. By obtaining the earliest and most precise images of far-off stars, galaxies, and planets, the Webb telescope has unlocked an unparalleled level of information that was previously unattainable. Its findings are gradually rewriting the textbooks on cosmic development. The telescope provides humanity with a unique window into the early years of the universe, allowing scientists to peer into the most remote regions of space where light has been traveling for billions of years. Space science has long focused on exploring distant galaxies, and Webb's cutting-edge technology has propelled this research into a new era. The images captured by Webb reveal galaxies that existed only a few hundred million years after the Big Bang, enabling researchers to examine their structure and formation during a critical phase of the early universe. One of the most remarkable images captured by Webb is that of the Ghost Galaxy. Though faint in the sky, this galaxy can be observed with infrared cameras, revealing its intricate spiral structure and the stars radiating from its core. The latest photograph of this galaxy from Webb reveals complex structures of gas and dust that release heat and stretch outward in a vivid electric blue. Astronomers have produced a composite image that highlights multiple optical and infrared views of the galaxy. This composite, a part of the Bill Nye reaction and explanation, offers a new perspective on star formation regions dispersed throughout the galaxy's spiral arms by combining images from both the Hubble and Webb telescopes. The PHANGS initiative is a global collaboration that includes data from the Hubble Space Telescope, the James Webb Space Telescope, and several ground-based observatories. The goal of this initiative is to use infrared images to study 19 neighboring galaxies in extraordinary detail. This initiative marks a new frontier in astronomy, as scientists work to map out the cosmic processes that have shaped the galaxies in our universe. The combination of data from different telescopes provides a more comprehensive understanding of how galaxies evolve over billions of years. The James Webb Space Telescope has ushered in a new era of cosmic discovery. From revealing the secrets of exoplanets to capturing the birth of stars and rewriting our understanding of the universe's earliest galaxies, its contributions to science are immeasurable. Bill's analysis of Webb's findings highlights the significance of this revolutionary telescope and the impact it will have on future generations of astronomers. As technology advances and telescopes become even more sophisticated, humanity will continue its quest to unlock the mysteries of the cosmos, forever expanding the boundaries of what we know. With each image, Webb not only captures the universe but also the imagination of all who gaze upon its wonders. The final frontier is more extraordinary than we ever imagined, and the journey to understand it has only just begun. The James Webb Space Telescope is only the beginning of a new era in space exploration. With advancements in technology, future telescopes will build upon Webb's discoveries, allowing for even deeper observations of the cosmos. Missions such as the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope and the European Space Agency's Ariel mission will complement Webb's findings, furthering our understanding of exoplanets, dark matter, and the early universe. Scientists anticipate that within the next few decades, humanity will have a more detailed map of the universe's origins, potentially uncovering habitable worlds. And one of the most exciting possibilities arising from Webb's discoveries is the potential for detecting life beyond Earth. By analyzing the atmospheres of exoplanets, researchers hope to find biosignatures, chemical indicators of life, such as oxygen, methane, and water vapor. If such signs are found on a distant planet, it would revolutionize our understanding of life's prevalence in the universe. As more telescopes and observatories join the search, the dream of discovering alien life may soon become a reality. In addition to studying exoplanets and galaxies, Webb is contributing to one of the most profound mysteries in astrophysics, the nature of dark matter and dark energy. These invisible forces shape the universe, yet their true nature remains elusive. By studying the gravitational lensing of distant galaxies, Webb provides clues about the distribution of dark matter. Similarly, by examining the expansion rate of the universe, Scientists hope to gain insights into dark energy's influence. These findings could lead to groundbreaking discoveries in physics and cosmology. The James Webb Space Telescope has ushered in a golden age of astronomy, one that will inspire generations to come. Its breathtaking images and revolutionary discoveries serve as a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we move closer to answering some of the most fundamental questions about our existence. What else lies beyond the stars? What secrets remain hidden in the depths of space? Only time will tell, but thanks to Webb, we are now closer than ever to unlocking the mysteries of the universe.